In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the volume indicator in TradingView to better understand market strength and improve your trading decisions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load the chart you want to analyze. Pick any asset like stocks, crypto, or forex using the search bar so you have your chart ready. Now move to the top of your screen and click on the indicators button. This will open the full library of tools available on TradingView. In the search bar, type volume composition and select it from the list. This is more advanced than the standard volume indicator because it breaks down buying and selling pressure. Once added, you'll see the indicator appear below your chart, giving you a clearer view of market activity. Instead of just showing how much volume there is, it helps you understand who is in control, buyers or sellers. This makes it easier to confirm trends and avoid weak or fake moves. To customize it, hover over the indicator name and click the settings icon. From here, you can adjust colors, bar thickness, and how the data is displayed. You can highlight bullish and bearish volume with different colors or adjust the look so it fits your trading style. Take some time to experiment with the settings and see what works best for your strategy and time frame. That's it. You've successfully added and customized the volume indicator in TradingView. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.